All right. So today we are going to be looking at something new: how to buy crypto on Binance using your card. It could be a debit or a credit card. Now you just open to your Binance account, and here we are at the home. So you click on credit/debit card. You click on it. So these are the various coins you can buy with your card. We have Bitcoin, we have BNB, Ethereum, Binance USD, USD Theta, and a whole lot more. So you can choose a coin you want to buy. There are a lot of them, a whole lot. So quickly, what I want is USD Theta. So I click on it. Alright. So with this, the minimum is $15. So I put in the $15, then I take continue. Alright, so me buying $15, what I will receive is 14.77 USD Theta. Now my payment method is a Visa card, and I have input my details already because this is not the first time I'm using my card to buy. But if it is your first time, you will just need to put in your card details and then you proceed. So I'll take confirm. So these are my card details. This is the buying price, the fee 0.31 USD. The total I'm paying is $15. So I confirm my transaction. It's loading, still processing. So please view your transaction history and check your bank. Alright, view history. Okay, so these are some of the transactions I've actually carried out. So you can see the $15 is successful. Alright, let's quickly check on the wallet. Sports wallet. So this is it. I had about 1 point something dollars, adding up to the 14.77 I received. So I now have a total of 16 point something dollars for USDT. So basically, that is how to buy crypto using your card. You decide the crypto you want to buy, the amount, and then you input your card details, you proceed. So thank you very much for watching this video. Endeavor to subscribe so you'll be updated on further videos. Thank you.